Hey buddy, listen. Imagine you can build a simple one-page website, just one page, that brings you $30,000 every year. Sounds wild, right? But it's not a dream. People are doing it, man. And I am going to show you exactly how. And why should you trust me? Well, I'll show you real examples, real numbers, and the exact steps you need. No fluff. Imagine this. You are checking your phone and seeing $1,000, $2,000, or even $5,000 in your account just from a single page, which you have set up a few months ago. No endless blogging, no complicated funnels, just one focused site doing the heavy lifting. Here are 5 real one-page sites that are earning thousands of dollars per month. Site 1, discprices.com, and this one compares prices for buying and selling used video games and discs online. It has 104,000 estimated monthly visitors and estimated monthly ad revenue $2,082. Site 2, weirdorconfusing.com. This is quirky, weird website offering strange, confusing content for entertainment and curiosity. Estimated monthly 118,000 visitors and monthly ad revenue $2,500. Site 3, theuselessweb.com. This one takes visitors to random, amusing and pointless websites for fun and distraction. Monthly visitors 650,000. Monthly ad revenue $13,000. Site 4, lipsum.com. This one, most of you know, generates placeholder lorem ipsum text for use in design and publishing mockups. It has 1,300,000 monthly visitors and monthly ad revenue $30,000. Site 5, downforeveryone or justme.com. This one checks if a website is down globally or if the problem is only on your end. It has monthly visitors 2,400,000 and monthly ad revenue $40,000. I have used SimilarWeb to get this site's traffic and this formula to estimate the earnings. If you are here this far, please hit the subscribe below and get more videos like this. And also don't forget to press on like, and that gives me motivation to continue when things are rough. But wait, if it's so easy, why isn't everyone doing it? Because there's a catch. Here comes the problems. SEO problems. Problem is, one-page sites can't rank for multiple keywords. But solution is, you need to focus your content laser sharp. Pick one profitable niche and own it. Trust problems. Problem is, visitors might not trust a single page site. But solution is showing clear testimonials, clear contact info, and a professional design. Content problem. Problem is, too much info in one page can overwhelm visitors. But solution is using simple sections, clear design, and only the essentials. Scaling problem. The problem is, it's hard to add more products or services. But solution is to start with one offer. If you wish to grow, you can always add more pages later and launch a second site. So why you should go for it? Imagine the freedom, one simple site, automated income, and more time for what matters to you. You don't need to be a tech genius, you just need a plan and the right tools. You can do it yourself, DIY way, or if you want it, get it done for you. That's where my paid services comes in. Either way, you will win. Let's learn the DIY method. How to build one-page website like lipsum.com. Let's keep it super simple. Here's how you can build your one-page website using WordPress and AI tools like ChatGPT. First, get a domain name and a hosting provider. Domain name can be anything like smashingidea.com, and rent up hosting space. A VPS, virtual private server, is a good place to start. Inside VPS, install WordPress. Most hosting providers let you install WordPress with one click. Pick a small theme, choose a clean one-page theme, search for one page. In the search bar of WordPress theme section, you will get some free themes. Now you need to install plugins. Think plugins as features. Install necessary plugins like WP Rocket, Cloudflare Security, Design Blocks. There are 30s of them. Now use ChatGPT to write the content. Ask ChatGPT to help you write catchy headlines, product verbs, or FAQs, and add images. Use free images from Unsplash or Pexels to make your site pop. Convert all images to .wp or .avif format for fast loading. Time to insert affiliate links or ad code. Sign up for Amazon affiliates and Google AdSense and add your links or ad code. Publish and share. Hit publish, then share your site on social media, forums, or in your friends group chat. It's time to run some paid Google ads and Facebook ads in tandem to bring in early traffic and make Google count your site. My clients started with nothing but an idea and a laptop. If they can do it, so can you. Imagine your first $100, then $1,000, then $30,000 a month, all from a single page. Now your story starts from here. So are you ready to build your one-page empire? DIY it with these steps. Or if you wanted to get it done with service support and free guarantee, we have got your back. Website buying links are in the description. Watch this video on how to build a contactor website with WordPress in details. Please hit this subscribe button and press like and comment your thoughts below. Watch your next video, buddy. See you there.